please state your name, tell us who you are and where you're from.
My name is James Lucero from the great city of Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Awesome. So James, you came here this weekend to the Details Are Certified Detailer Licensee Training Program. You've been here since Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What did you think of Friday's business and marketing class?
You know, I've been around business for a long time, and I think this business class is unbelievable. If you're brand new starting out, it's wonderful. If you're halfway into your business, it's great. Even for the veteran, I think you will learn something definitely on Friday, the business class, for sure.
So you're a veteran and you learned some stuff.
Yes, I am.
Excellent, thank you. What do you think of Saturday, which was the contact wash, paint correction training, and ceramic coating application?
I'm fairly new at this, but all the paint correction was very foreign to me. It was a bit frightening, but with these excellent trainers, they made it where it was so easy and so fun to understand, and we just learned so much doing that exterior.
And you guys did a great job too. I'm just going to do a quick little caption of this vehicle. I mean, this Rogue came in not looking too good, and just amazing what you and your the other student, which we'll be talking to soon, Sebastian, did in your trainers. Now today, Sunday, the final day of the training, is the interior detailing and coating. Okay, and we did some headlight restoration too. What'd you think of that?
The interior, you might think that doing the interior is just doing a little bit of vacuuming, wiping stuff down. But again, the trainers, they're OCD. They understand the places that are easy to miss. They show you where not to miss. And it was just overall excellent.
Excellent.
I just can't believe it. Headlight restoration, that was the most frightening thing of the whole class. They brought out something that you couldn't even see through. And in 30 minutes, 45 minutes, we made that thing look like it was brand new.
It does.
And I think Nick should throw that on Craigslist and sell that. It was great, Nick.
That's awesome. Thank you. Would you ever refer anyone to come to our training?
I'll refer everybody that I can find, and if you ever need help, you
I
let me know.
greatly
and I will
appreciate
help you
that.
out.
You're a great student. Thank you so much, Jim.
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate it. Thank you.
Appreciate you.